Now issuing a warning, Taiwan's top trade negotiator has emphasized on how any Chinese military attack on Taiwan will have a greater impact on global trade flows, which will be worse than ones caused by the Ukraine war. Now, Russia's invasion of Ukraine in the month of February this year had triggered commodity price hikes and food export bans, leading to fears of famine in poorer countries. But according to Taiwan, the potential disruptions could get worse if China was to attack Taiwan. In a statement, Taiwan's chief trade negotiator said, and I'm quoting here, the disruption to international supply chains, disruption on the international economic order, and the chance to grow would be much more significant than this one. According to data, Taiwan dominates the global market production of most advanced chips, and its exports were worth $118 billion last year. And Taiwan hoped to decrease 40% share of its exports that go to China. Meanwhile, China has been hell-bent on insisting that it has sovereign rights over Taiwan Strait. In the latest, China's foreign ministry on Monday said that China has sovereignty, sovereign rights and jurisdiction over Taiwan Strait, further calling it a false claim that certain countries label the Taiwan Strait as international waters. However, rebuffing China's claims, the United States has backed Taiwan's assertion, calling the strait that separates Taiwan from China as an international waterway. In a statement, U.S. State Department spokesperson Ned Price said, I am quoting here, the Taiwan Strait is an international waterway, meaning that the Taiwan Strait is an area where high seas freedoms, including freedom of navigation and overflight, are guaranteed under international law. In recent years, U.S. warships and those from allied nations such as Britain, Canada, they've sailed through the strait, further drawing Beijing's anger. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.